Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Muvhango is set to return today, Monday, 12 August 2024, and Dumantlo has promised viewers more drama and growth that you have never seen before. He further said, although the soap has some changes, but the DNA of Muvhango will remain intact. I personally can't wait to see and watch it again because I had stopped the previous Muvhango. I had stopped watching it. Hopefully, they are not going to disappoint us because we are eagerly waiting to see the changes and the new people that were introduced. And sadly, the people that people wanted them to come back, like Tandaza, they are not coming back, which is not a trend smash. But for now, I think let's just give them a benefit of doubt and support them tonight, and let us watch and see where they are taking us to. I don't know what you guys think about this new concept, and I think let's comment tomorrow after we have watched the whole drama and the new changes. Thank you guys for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.